Hello, welcome back. This is SBECEGH. Once again, I've gotten another update from the BECE, and this one is coming from WAEC official WhatsApp platform. So it is trusted, right? Now, this message is actually coming from Mohammed Abdul Rahman. He is actually the Computerized School Selection and Placement System Secretariat for Ghana Education Ministry, right? And the statement that was posted on the platform is short and simple. A BEC candidate with good grades may still be placed in their second choice school if the first choice has already filled its top 50 slots. Now, what does this mean? Even if a student gets good grades in their BECE, they are not automatically guaranteed to get their first choice school. Here is why. Now, according to the statement made by Mr. Mohammed Abdul Rahman, each top school, especially category A or popular category B schools, has a limited number of slots, often around 50 priority slots for students who choose that school as their first choice. If those top slots are already filled by students with equal or better grades who also selected that school as first choice, then the computer system moves on to place you in your second choice of school. So this doesn't mean your grades were bad. It just means others with similar or higher grades chose that school first and filled the available space. So this is what this statement all boils down to. Now, your grade is very important, but your school choices also matter. Uh, so if your choice or if you chose a popular school like let's say Presec, Wesley Girl or Achimota as your first choice, and thousands of people or thousands of other top students also chose it, the slot can fill up quickly. So even if you pass well, the computer may send you to your second choice, not because you failed, but because the first choice was already full. So this is what Mr. Mohammed Abdul Rahman wants the public to know. If there should be any update to, I will not hesitate to update you. Thank you very much. Please, if you have any question regarding this, kindly drop it under the comment section below. We will rectify it and help you out. Okay, thank you.